Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all my students. Okay, so in this video we are going to continue our discussion on the new topic of topic 4 CONICS. Last time we named it as a CONICS section, and we concentrate on the first part of this this topic. And as you see on the screen here now, we are going to discuss or begin our discussion with the topic with a subtopic of circles. Okay, now, so you may read the handouts that you have with you right now. Okay, definition of circle. A circle is a set of all points in a plane equidistant from the given fixed point called the center, and the distance from the center to any point of the circle is called a radius. So we have the center, we define as an h and k, and the radius of distance from the center of the point to any point on the ring of the circle as an r. Okay, so let's see here now. Well, this is the center, where the distance from this center h and k to any point, from here to this point, from here to this point, and any point on the ring of the circle is the radius. Okay. Okay. And any coordinates, we define this p, we call the coordinate of p, which is x, y. So any coordinates on the ring of the circle, then the distance from this, so we call the center to any point, are the radius of the circle. Okay, so which I think that for this one we just make it short. We call the radius from center of P to the point center of C to the point of P here, R equal to C to P, and then it is square root of the distance from the center, the distance. Okay, actually that this is the the square root of everything here is the formula of distance, which is also this distance, we name it as an R, the radius of the circle. Okay, and we square left and right, then come up with r square equal to, so this is the general formula for the circle. So the equation of the circle is x minus a square plus y minus k square equal to r square. Okay, so the equation of circle is standard form. Okay, this is the in standard form. Standard form. Okay. Now, find the equation of circle with center at the origin and radius is 5. What's the meaning of origin? Let's say this is a y-axis and also x-axis. Origin means at the point, intersection point of x and y-axis, which is 0 and 0. And the radius is 5. Where the radius is 5, from the standard equation, r squared equal to x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, where this is the center, h and k is a 0 and 0, so that x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared, and mentioned here the radius is 5, so 5 squared, then x plus y, x squared plus y squared equal to 5 squared or 25. Okay, then next, find the center and the radius of the circle. Okay, for this one here now, again we compare with the pairs. We call the basic basic equation of the we call the circle here, where x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. Okay, look at this one here now. Means that it is x minus negative 2 square plus y minus 4 square equal to 49, where r square equal to 49, then r equal to taking the positive value of this, which is 7. Okay, so then the center is h and k, where h is negative 2 and k equal to 4, where r equal to 7. Okay. The general equation of circle from the standard equation. Okay, we expand equation 1 until we get this, and using substituting of g equal to negative h, f equal to negative k, and c equal to h square plus k square minus r squared, then we get, there you go. Okay, so this is the equation that we're going to use to for a few of the questions that related with this. Okay, and from here, from the general equation of circle, okay, from this general equation of circle as an equation 2, then from equation 2, by computing the square on x and y, then we get this equation then, and we compare that this, we call the value of g is also equal to negative h. Do you still remember the previous, when we mentioned that the c is h and k? So in this case, the center, if we we can compare with this one, the h, g equal to negative h, or maybe we can remember this as an h equal to negative g. So for this case, when we get the value of h is also equal to negative g, and this one f equal to negative k, and this is to find the radius of the circle. Okay, so I'll explain it in short, because if you recall, I give you a clear picture of this using example. Thus, the general equation of a circle given here then, where center equal to negative g and negative f, and the radius equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay. And again, this is the center of the circle, and any point on the ring of the circle, we take one example, it's a pxy here. Okay, so then the center, as we call the previous slides, we look at the center, which is h and k, meaning here is also as an h and k. Okay, once we compare the equation of circle with this, means that we're going to use the g, and that using the g and f to find the center of the circle. Okay, example, find the center and the length of the radius of the circle. Okay, look at this one here now. Just now, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus c equal to 0. Okay, let's compare with this one here now. Just imagine that if this negative 1 we bring to the left side, it becomes positive 1, and suddenly it becomes 0 here. So automatically, we can say that c, okay, sorry for that. C equal to 1. And then 2G equal to negative 2. 2G equal to negative 2, then G equal to negative 1. Okay, and then 2 compare with 2F, where 2F equal to 2, then F equal to 1. Okay, the center using the negative G and negative F, which is equal to 1 and negative 1. Okay, look at this one here now. G is negative 1. So the center is negative G. So negative times negative equal to positive 1. And F is 1. But the center, we use the negative F. It becomes negative 1 here. And C remain. Then what about the radius? Radius square root of G square plus F square minus C, which is square root of 1 square. Okay, G is negative 1, sorry. Negative 1 square plus F 1 square and minus 1, which is equal to, okay, square of negative 1 equal to 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay. Find the center and the radius of a circle by completing the square. Class, what if I show you if there's any different or actually the same if I find out the we call center and the length of this circle of this using completing the square. Let's find out now here now. X squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 2y minus plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Then we get x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 2y plus 1. Okay, then x squared. Okay, still remember the process of completing the square? X squared minus 2x plus negative 2 divided by 2 squared minus negative 2 divided by 2 squared. This part is only for x squared minus 2x. Plus we done. Okay, part y here now. Y squared plus 2y plus 2 divided by 2 squared minus 2 divided by 2 squared plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, look at these three part here. Okay, and also another 3 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then we come out with x negative 2 divided by 2 negative 1, x minus 1 squared. Okay, and then negative 2 divided by 2 negative 1. Negative 1 squared is 1 minus 1 plus, okay, look at this one here now. 1, 2, 3. Then come up with y. Like 2 divided by 2 plus 1 squared. Okay, plus 1 squared. And then minus 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. 1 squared is 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, x minus 1 square plus y plus 1 square. 1 minus 1 equal to 0 and then minus 1. Negative 1 here. Negative bring to the side become positive equal to 1. So then the center of the circle using H and K at this moment here right now is the center is 1 and negative 1 and the radius equal to 1. Look at this one here now. The radius are equal to 1. Equal, right? Okay, where r equal to 1 here, then look at this one here now. R equal to 1. Then next, the center is 1, negative 1. Look at this one here now. Let's compare with this. C equal to 1, negative 1. Okay, so because you have the handout with you right now, then the next question is find the radius and circle by completing the square. So I think that let me show you. There is no difference. Okay, it will give you the same file one correct answer using both of the method. It's only that the difference, which is we compare this with this x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy minus c equal to 0. And the other method is using completing the square. Okay, then next, okay, then this is a question now. Find the center and the radius, and for this we divide everything with 2, then we get x squared plus y squared minus 12x plus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, divide by 2, then negative 12, 34, divide by 2, negative 12, 6, 4. Okay, now using completing the square one by one. But before that, we were done for the first part before the process of completing the square to make sure that the coefficient of x squared and the coefficient of y squared equal to 1. That is the first thing that we must make sure is make sure first then, okay, and then x squared, bring this negative 12x next to x squared minus 12x plus y squared plus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Then we begin the process of completing the square. For the first part here, x squared minus 12x plus negative 12 divided by 2 square minus negative 12 divided by 2 square. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It's turn for the y now. Okay, y squared plus 6y plus 6 divided by 2 square minus 6 divided by 2 square plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so meaning here x squared minus 12x plus, look at this one, the value of b which is negative 12 and the value of b here which is equal to 6. Then this one will come up with x negative 12 divided by 2 negative 6 square. Okay, minus negative 12 divided by 2 negative 6. Negative 6 square equal to 36. Plus with, then next, these three parts here, y 6 divided by 2 equal to 3 square minus negative 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. 3 square equal to 9 plus 4 equal to 0. So let's simplify this, where x minus 6 square plus y plus 3 square. Okay, negative 36 minus 9, negative 45. Negative 36 minus 9, negative 45. And then negative 45 plus 4 equal to negative 41. Then bring this to the side, become 41 here now. Okay. X minus 6 squared plus y plus 3 squared equal to 41. Let's compare with x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared. So then h equal to 6, k equal to negative 3, which means that the center is 6 and negative 3, and r equal to square root of 41. There you go. Okay, next, from here, okay, so then it's a 2x squared plus y squared. So given that, okay, solution. Okay, equation of a circle passing through 3 given points. Okay. So then, let's imagine that we like to find an equation of a circle that passing through these 3 points. Okay, let's say if I name this one as a P, Q, and R. Okay, you can label it as any letters that you want, as long as we can see that there are 3 points. Actually, that the coordinate on the ring of the circle, and this is the coordinate of the center. Given a circle passing through the point of this 3 here, find its equation. Okay, the equation of the circle is, okay, so for this one here now, we compare with that this equation, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, now we are going to substitute the coordinate one by one into the equation here. At point of 9, negative 7, sorry, 9 and negative 7. Okay, 9 square is plus negative 7 square plus 2gx equal to 9 plus 2fy equal to negative 7 plus c equal to 0. Okay, and then 81, negative 7 square plus 49 plus 18g minus 14f plus c equal to 0. And for this one here now, we get it 18g minus 14f plus c equal to negative 130. Okay, that's an equation 1. Okay. At point of negative 3 and negative 1. Okay, I'm not going to show this, substitute the value of x and y, replacing the x and y one by one. We just imagine, we call straightly count it, negative 3 squared equal to 9, negative 1 squared equal to 1, and then 2 times negative 3 equal to minus 6g. Okay, minus 6g. Then 2 times negative 1 equal to negative 2f plus c equal to 0. Okay, and then negative 6g minus 2f plus c equal to negative 10. Equation 2. Well, next, at point or at a coordinate of 6 and 2. So then 6 square is 36 plus 2 square equal to 4. Then plus with 2 times 6 equal to 12g and 2 times 2 equal to 4f plus c equal to 0. Then 12g plus 4f plus c equal to negative 40. Equation 3. Okay, I'll bring up, recall the equation 1 and equation 2 in this slide or this page here. Okay, so 18g plus minus. Okay, I bring up, recall the equation of 1 and 2 here. 18g minus 14f plus c equal to negative 130, equation 1, and also negative 6g minus 2f plus c equal to negative 10, equation 2. So you can see here now there are 3 equations, 1, 2, and 3, and 3 variables of g, f, and c. So now guys, girls, we are going to find out the value of g, f, and c when we're given here 3 equations with 3 variables. That makes, recall, the working solutions quite a bit longer. Okay, so let's say equation 1 minus equation 2, because I'm focusing on C and C and C here. Okay, let's try. Okay, equation 1 minus equation 2, C minus C equal to 0. 18g minus 14f plus c equal to negative 130. Negative 6g minus 2f plus c equal to negative 10. Minus here. C minus c. 18 minus 18, negative and negative become positive. 18 plus 6, 24g. Negative times negative, positive. So negative 14 plus 2 minus 12f equal to negative times negative is also positive. So negative 130 plus 10, negative 120. Equation 4. And equation 1 minus equation 3, because I'm focusing to eliminate C and C here. Okay, 18g minus 14f plus c equal to negative 130 minus, and equation 3, 12g plus 4f, 12g plus 4f plus c equal to negative 40. Okay, so then now 18 minus 12, 6g, negative 14f minus 4f, negative 18f, c minus c equal to 0, then negative 100, negative times negative positive. So negative 130 plus 40, negative 90. Equation 5. Okay, so just now there are 3 equations, 1, 2, and 3, with 3 variables of g, f, and c. And let's take a look at this one here now. We compare between equation 4 and equation 5. We assume that this equation 1 to equation 2, there are 2 equations now with 2 variables of g and f. Okay, I'm trying to think of something on how to eliminate one of the variable when we have 24 and 12, 6 and negative 18. Okay, guys, I get an idea. Okay, you may come up with any idea as long as we can reach what we call our goals or target. Just imagine that if I multiply equation 5 with 4, why? 4 times 6, 6 times 4 equal to 24. 24 minus 24. Get it? Okay, so equation 5 here multiply with 4, then come out with 24g minus 18 times 4. 18 times 4, 72. 72f equal to, and negative 90 times 4, which is negative 360. Okay. If I label this as an equation 6, okay, right now we'll focus on equation 4 and equation 6, not 5 anymore. Look at this one here now. So then, equation 4 minus equation 6, 24g minus 12f equal to negative 120 minus 24g minus 72f equal to negative 360. Okay, 24g minus 24g, 0. Negative times negative, positive. So then negative 12f plus 72, 60. Or let's make this one the other way around here. 72 minus 12 equal to 60. So then negative 12f plus 72f, 60f equal to negative times negative, positive. So negative 360 minus 120, 240. So then f equal to 240, 24 divided by 6. 240 divided by 60, 4. 240 divided by 60, 4. Okay. F equal to 4. Okay, once we find out the value of f equal to 4 here right now, which I think that I'm not going to spend on the other slide, if we can just simply solve it here. But then class, please, in final examination, don't put all the working solution everything in one page. So let's flow one by one. And if it's not fit in the page, then so you continue to the other page. I'm put it all here because I'm not going to refer forward and backward, or interrupt my explanation here. Okay, so f equal to 4. If you substitute into equation 5 or 4 whatsoever, bring to the next page. Now f equal to 4. If I use equation 5 here right now, or equation 4, let's say f equal to 4, substitute into equation 4. which means that 24g minus 12f equal to 4 equal to negative equal to negative 24g minus 12f equal to 4 equal to negative 120. Okay, 12 times 4 is 48, then 24g. This is negative 48. Bring to the side, become positive. So means that here is negative 120 plus 48. Okay, 48 minus 120 equal to negative 72. And no, not answers yet. So then g equal to negative 72 divided by 24, which is equal to negative 3. There you go. So, f equal to 4, g negative 3, then substitute into equation 1 or 2 or 3, either one. Okay. So then, negative, let's say I use equation 2 here, so then negative 6 times g is negative 3, minus 2 and f equal to 4, plus c equal to negative 10. Negative 6 times negative 3 is 18. Negative 2 times 4 equal to negative 8. So then 18 minus 8 equal to 10 plus c equal to negative 10. So then c equal to 10, bring it here, become negative, so negative 20. Okay, class, don't write like this in your examination. So this part, bring to the other page. Okay. So now f equal to 4, g equal to negative 3, and c equal to negative 20. Negative 3, okay, g, f equal to 4, and c equal to negative 20. That's it. Okay, with all, once we found out the value of f, g, and c, we are going to write down the equation of a circle. Then the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Just now, we agreed that the value of g equal to negative 3, f equal to 4, and c equal to negative 20. So let's substitute here x squared plus y squared plus 2g negative 3x plus 2f 4y minus 20 equal to 0, then x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, next question. Equation of a circle passing through points with the dimension with the equation of the diameter given. So the circle passing through 2 points with equation of the diameter is given. Okay. Example 6. Okay, just imagine that this is a circle. Okay, just nice. Then this is the center, and there is a line. There is a line of this y minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. There is a line passing through the center of the circle. Okay, and then let's say if I put again one of the coordinates here, which is 3 and 2, and here is 1 and 1. Okay, so the general equation of circle again, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So then at a point of 1 and 1, okay, at the point of 1 and 1, substitute 1 and 1, 1 and 1 here, we get 1 plus 1 plus 2g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Okay, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, so then 2g plus 2f plus c equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2, bring side become negative 2. Okay, equal to 0. Make it, let's say, never mind, I'll use the note then here. Negative 2 or plus 2 equal to 0. Equation 1. And at the point of 3, 2. So 3 square equal to 9 plus 2 square equal to 4 plus 2 times 3 equal to 6g plus 2 times y. 2 times 2 equal to 4y plus c equal to 0, then 6g plus 4y plus c plus 13 equal to 0. Equation 2. Okay, and it mentioned that the center of the circle, the center which is negative g and negative f. Okay, G is the center of circle, negative G and negative F passes through the diameter. Okay, the equation of this, okay, then which is y minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So we substitute x and y with negative g and negative f, so then it is negative f minus 3 times negative g plus 7 equal to 0, or negative and negative become positive, 3g minus f plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, equation 1, equation 2, and this is equation 3. Okay, there are 3 equations. The only thing here is this with 3 variables of g, f, and c. G, or why they put y here, is supposed to be f. Okay, sorry. F and c plus 13 equal to 0, but for this one here, there are only 2 variables, g and f. Okay, I get an idea. What if I make this one as equation 1 minus equation 2? Equation 1, 2g plus 2f plus c, okay, plus 2 equal to 0, and then 6g plus 4f plus c plus 13 equal to 0. This is 2 and this is 13 minus, okay. C minus c again equal to 0. 2 minus 6 equal to negative 4. G. 2 minus 4 equal to negative 2f. Then 2 minus 13. 2 minus 13 equal to negative 11 equal to 0. Okay. Equation 4. So there are only G and F and 7. G, F and a constant here. And what's now? Okay. Multiply with 2. 2 times F equal to 2F. So then 2F, we can settle up with this 2F here. So 3 times 2 equal to 6G minus 2F plus 14 equal to 0. Then come out with equation 5. Okay, I do hope that all of you understood the step, even though everything on the screen there looks like miserable. Okay, now equation 5 is plus or minus equation 6 because I'm focusing on negative 2F and negative 2F here. Negative 2F, negative with negative become positive. So negative 2F plus 2F, that's it. So 6G minus 2F plus 14 equal to 0. Negative 4G minus 2F. Minus 11 equal to 0. Minus negative here. Negative, okay, negative times negative become positive. Negative times negative become positive. 2F, so negative 2F minus plus 2F, 0. Negative times negative become positive, so 6 plus 4, then G. And then, what if I make this one as a I change the position of this. Okay, this one here, 6G minus 2F. Okay, 5 and 6, 6G minus 2F equal to 14, bring here become negative 14. And then before negative 4G minus 2F, negative 11, bring here become positive, so plus 11. So then negative 14 divide negative 14 minus negative 14 minus 11 is negative 25. So then G equal to negative 25 divided by 10, which is negative 5 over 2. Okay. And what's next? Okay, we got the first variable here, which is G equal to negative 5 over 2. So you may substitute this value of G into an equation of 5 here, because the only variable of G and F. So we substitute the value of G here, then we can find out the value of F. Okay, and then once you get the value of G and F, you may substitute into equation 1 or equation 2. It's all up to you, because we need to find out what is the value of C. Okay, I give you an idea. I think that you may refer to the previous example of 3 points, 3 coordinates of the circle, where you substitute one by one until you get it, that we call the value of G, F, and C. For this case, I make it short here. You might recall, find out the value of F, and the F, it should be negative 1 over 2, and also C equal to 4. Okay, I'll give you an idea. Substitute G, negative 5 over 2 into equation 5, because only variable of G and F here, there's no C. So you will find out the value of, the variable of F after that, negative 1 over 2. So substitute negative value of G and F into equation 1 or equation 2, either one, because you already have the value of G and F. It's time for us to find out what is the value of C then. Okay, so I give you an idea, and I give you the other value of F and C. You find out yourself, and good luck. Okay. So the exercise which I think that I let all of you to try this on your own, and also find the center and the length of the radius of the circle of this circle. You can find it yourself using, okay, you may either, because it's not mentioned any method, so that you may compare, okay, the center and the length of the radius using the x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is method number 1. Or method number 2, by completing the square. Okay, find that find out the center and the length of the radius of the circle. Okay, so which I think that I'm not going to explain everything of this. You may just refer to your handout. The equation circle passing through 3 points. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.